What's going on, everyone? Justin,
Jonathan.
we got another little project going on here on this here channel. And what it is we had some tubular structure issues with the frame that you had to weld. We have what looks like a fuel tank roll cage to protect the tank, right? Or the fuel cell rather, from in case he rolls or flips from flying off these jumps. What else we got to do to this thing, man?
So basically what happened was frame was all crooked, cracked, all that stuff. So we went with the full, back half. He's gonna run Devers and stuff like that, leaf springs. He's not gonna go 4-link. So I gave him the option to go 4-link later and have the clearance. This, what you see over here, is actually gonna be his bed cage and shock mounts. These are actually a little bit different. I went round and square tubing on this one. Normally with the traditional way is all round. I'm gonna have plates coming off here, for the shock mounts, and then more structural support to help it with the integrity. I mean, all in all, this is gonna be 10 times stronger than the factory frame for what this is for. So you're gonna have the upper support going further forward, coming back, and the articulation is gonna be perfect on this thing, and he's gonna have travel for days.
For jumping and
for jumping,
going nuts.
This dude's gonna be launching this thing. I mean, he was launching it before we went here, and that might be why we're here now. So yeah, he likes to handle. I give him mad props for what he does, so it's good stuff. Yeah. You want to hang out for 2 hours?
No. Yeah, we got plenty of work, bro.
We got shit for you to do, dog. You sure?
Nope. Let's do it.
We got a few templates cut out this morning. Took about 10-15 minutes, if that. After work, I was able to shoot over to B&G Fabrications with my buddy Glenn over there. Probably in half an hour to, half an hour to 45 minutes, we were able to get our fuel cell plates cut out. These are going to go welded to our bed cage and bolt into our fuel cell. That'll be 2 corners. The other corners will have a different style plate system, which, we'll go ahead and show you those later. In that same time, we were able to get our shock mounts cut out. So stay tuned. Just in case you were curious how the shock mounts were actually going to mount up to the Ranger Project bed cage, there you have it. They just is 2 plates sandwiching some square tubing. Nice and clean, nothing crazy. We got some rosette welds in the back right there, and then we got our shock holes in the front. I am going to do a little bit of adjusting. I just threw it up so you guys can see what I was talking about. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, just nice and clean. I think I got it where I like it, so I'm going to go ahead and tack it in now. I'm going to do this first one, or I might just do them all one by one, just to make sure I got perfect alignment so I'm not fighting with 2 of them at the same time. So I got the angle pretty much good, where I'm going to have pretty much as much down travel and up travel as I'm going to want. So I'm going to go ahead and get these things tacked in.
What's up, guys? So that was a quick little video. Jonathan had to get some work done that night, and he's not a real big talker, so he got a lot of music, got a lot of work done. You're gonna have to wait till the next video to see kind of where we ended up on that thing. But I wanted to get you guys something going on this so you can kind of see what we're getting into and what we've kind of been building on this thing, and see our little jungle gym of a bed cage come together. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can see the next video when it comes out.